Hi guys, it is T here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, Hanging with the Shirees, welcome and thank you so much for clicking on that video and just taking the time to spend with me. If you guys like this kind of content, or I should say if you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching this kind of content, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click on that notification bell for all new and upcoming videos for Hanging with the Shirees. Now, this channel will definitely illustrate a lot of home decor, a lot of clean with me, a lot of family vlogging with me, the hubby, and the kids. So definitely, like I said, I'm planning on putting a lot more content into this channel that I haven't done in the past. And that is my goal for 2021 and moving forward. So I'm hoping that you guys can come along with me. And again, don't forget, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So by the title of this video, I will be showcasing items that I purchased at Ross and Ikea. So without further ado, so that I don't make this long-winded, let's go ahead and showcase those items. And also, before I forget, just in case I forget, all the items that I showcase in this video today, I will actually link all those items in the description box below. So if you're interested in any of the items that I showcase in this video today, and you want to find out more about it, just go ahead and click on the link below. That is if these items are still available, because I purchased this stuff like maybe just about a month ago. I know some of the items at Ikea was kind of hard for me even to get. So I was really grateful and thankful that I was able to get it, because like the items were running off the shelves like crazy. Now, all of the items were not purchased in person. Everything was done online. So that was Ikea online, and actually, I'm sorry, Ross was in person and Ikea was online. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to show from Ikea, I got these little grass, I guess faux grass balls, and it's these little grass balls. See here? It's plastic, but it's so pretty and so appealing to the eye, and how you decorate it with it, This is a 7-inch faux grass ball. They had the thing also the 4 or the 3-inch, but I just wanted it to be a little bit bigger. So I'll insert a little picture, a video of it. I bought 3 of them. So the picture will show basically how I set it up. And I got this planter, this white planter. I'm sorry, the ball, I got 3 of these, and they were $4.99 for each ball. Or was it $3.99? I can't remember. It was either $3.99 for each or $4.99. And again, I'll link all the items below with the pricing. So if you're interested, definitely purchase it. And I got this beautiful white planter as well from Ikea. And these were $4.99 for each planter. And I got 3 of them as well. So basically how I have it set up, and this goes on my dining room table. I put the planter in here, and I have 3 of them, and I kind of have them lined up. Because like I said, I've been eyeing these balls for like the longest time, but the cheapest that I had seen it was on Amazon, and it was too expensive for me at that point. So when I saw it at Ikea for $3.99, and for the size that it is, it was a great, great deal. So thank you, Ikea. So the next thing that I got was these chopping blocks. I love this one. It was so small. It's so compact. And I wanted something that was going to be this small. It's just for decorative purposes. I most likely wouldn't use it, but I'm going to put it in my kitchen, because if you look at my TJ Maxx and Amazon haul, and I'll link the video for that right about here, you will see that I'm actually, my decor is like wood, like light woods, and throughout my kitchen. So when I saw this and I saw how cute it was and how little, I was like, I have to get this. Like I said, we most likely wouldn't use it. It's just for decorative purposes. And this one I think was like $2 or $4.99. So it was really, really good price. I mean, I really like Ikea. Ikea is just awesome when it comes to getting great items at a very, very reasonable price. So I got that as well from Ikea. And then the next one was this huge chopping block. I didn't think it was going to be this big. This was, I think, like, nothing I got from Ikea was more than 10 bucks. I think everything I got was like under 10 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. So I think this might have been like about maybe $7.99, $8.99. I'm so sorry, I don't really know the actual pricing of this stuff, but again, I will link that information below in the description box. So I got this to go with this, to kind of like maybe kind of put on the countertops, and or I might get the small one. I actually got a smaller one to this, so I might use that with this to use in the kitchen as for decor. So that's the 3 items that I got, and I think that's all I got from Ikea. I think that was it. From Ross, I got a couple of things too. Most of the stuff that I got from Ross is to also probably between my kitchen, my living room, and my dining room. I haven't decided yet. I just bought stuff and I'm like, okay, wherever it looks good is where it's gonna be. So the first thing I got was this 4-piece vinyl placemats, and I got this at Ross for $5.99. And it's the Soma brand. And this is the placemats here. So it came in a pack of 4 for $5. Did I say 5 or $4.99? For $5.99. And this is the placemats. They're gray because in my dining room is gray, white, silver, and a little splashes of gold. So I have this here, and it's really nice texture. And it's kind of like almost like a plastic material. So I think it will be easy to clean if there's any food particles or anything that gets in it, or I should say on it. So I got a pack of 4 at Ross for $5.99. That's a great deal. So the next item that I'm going to show today is white with little gold dots, and it has a little bit of a mouth. So I'm not sure. I may put something in here. I may just leave it just for decorative purposes, and I'm most likely going to put it in here as it has like the gold accents in here. This was again $11.99 at Ross, and I actually got 2 of them. There was the only 2 left, and I only picked up 1. And I said, you know what? I have a feeling because if you shop at Ross, you know those kind of places, Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. If you go and you see something that you really like, get it. Because if you walk out of that store without it, there's no guarantee they will be there when you go back. So it was the only 2 left, and I only picked up 1, and I said, you know what? Let me pick up the other one. So I got them both at Ross, and I have actually been looking for something like this for a few months now. So it was really nice to see that I was able to get it at Ross. Thing that I got, because I'm kind of going with the wood and the marble and the gold splashes here. So I got these coasters, a pack of 4 at Ross, and they're really heavy. So it's really like, it's not like cheapy looking or feels cheap in any way. It's a really, really good solid marble. Really, really nice. And I got this for $5.99, guys, a pack of 4. And it's got the marble stone. It's really, really pretty, and it's really good quality. I mean, really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. When I saw this, I actually saw this like a week ago, and it's been on my mind. And I said, well, if it's for me, it will still be there. A week later, I went back, and they had a whole bunch still there. So I was really happy to see it. So that's it there. And this, most likely, I'll probably put this either in my kitchen, or I'll put it in my living room on the coffee table. Kind of see the theme that I'm going here. It is this beautiful marble tray, and I got this as well at Ross for $5.99. I love the oval shape to it and the marble, and I like the texture of it. It matches the coasters really, really well. And I mean, like I said, it's not cheapy looking. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels really solid, like real stone work. And the fact that I got this at this price, $5.99 for this size, it's really, really good deal. Ross is just coming through right now. So the theme here with the marble, I also got another one of these trays. This one is like more of a circular tray. The other one was a more oval. And this was $8.99, and it's pretty big. Very, very heavy, very sturdy, and I just love it. Most likely, I probably wouldn't use this more for decor piece. It's more of a decor piece, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Maybe just put it on a countertop kitchen and just maybe stack stuff on it. Like I said, I'll do actually a video when I start decorating to show you guys how I'm actually going to use the pieces. But I love it, and it's $8.99. $8.99 from Ross. Next, I got this wood tray. It's more like a lazy Susan. It has this little spindle at the bottom. So most likely I put this on my island in the kitchen, and I'm gonna probably put like little stuff on here and showcase that as well. And I love it because again, it follows the same wood theme that I'm going for in the kitchen. So it just blends in perfectly with everything that I want to put in there as well. Now I was thinking maybe like putting them together, the marble and the wood, and then putting something on top of the marble. I haven't decided yet, and this is quite heavy. So I haven't actually decided on that yet, but I'll play with it a little bit to see how I plan on doing it, and I'll show you guys how the pieces will be put together. Oh, so yeah. So those are my Ross finds, and I think that was my actual, oh, one more thing I have to actually get from Ross. I got these cutting sheets. The ones that we used before was from Ikea, but we've had them for so long because we've definitely used them a lot. We had two, one we used for fruits and vegetables, and the other one we used like if we had to, you know, like for poultry and stuff like that, we use it for that. So it's been about maybe 3-4 years we've had those. So they pretty much were worn to the ground practically. So because of that, I said, well, it's time for us to get a new one. So when I saw these at Ross, I was like, okay. And it was a pack of 4. I already used one. So it's 3 here, but it was a pack of 4 originally. And it was for only $3.99. Look at that. $3.99 for a pack of 4 cutting sheets. And this is a 15 by 11 inch. So it's pretty big. It's pretty big, pretty good size. Now I did notice it's a little bit more on the flimsier side compared to the one we got from Ikea, which was more of a thicker plastic, I guess. But this one is a little bit flimsy, so I don't think that these would probably last us as long as the ones we got from Ikea, which again lasts us for about 3 to 4 years before we just really recently got rid of them. So, you know, for $3.99, you just can't beat that, right? And you get a pack of 4 for that, so not a bad price. So that is my haul for Ross and Ikea. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Hopefully it inspire you to maybe go out there and maybe get some decor pieces. Maybe you were thinking about, you know, things you may want to have been changed in your home and you just didn't maybe know what to do or how to start or where to start. So hopefully this video inspired you to maybe go out there and get the deals. I mean, I'm not saying to go out there and spend a lot of money. I didn't. But I'm just showing you guys that you can buy really nice things for affordable prices. So with that being said, again, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you want to continue to get content like this from my channel, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for all future videos to come. Well, thank you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.